Okay, what we're doing now, we've installed the chain brake flag and the mechanic in training is tightening them down. Watch that spike and poke it into right there. Got it?
Yeah.
And give it some horse torque here. Put 2 bars behind it. Now, when the saw impacts something, you have kickback. That kicks like that, and the chain locks. There's a band in there that locks on the clutch drum that stops the chain. It's a safety mechanism. It is taught by all major manufacturers, probably by OSHA now, that between cuts, when you're moving with a running saw, set the chain brake. It just makes good sense. Alright. We've done everything there is to do. I guess next we will gas it and fire it, or attempt to. We'll just see how that goes.